Hello, welcome back to Codecademy's JavaScript course. This is conditional statement section. If statement. We often perform a task based on a condition. For example, if the weather is nice today, then we will go outside. If the alarm clock rings, then we'll shut it off. If we're tired, then we'll go to sleep. In programming, we can also perform a task based on a condition using an if statement. If true, then console log, this message will print, which will print out this message will print. Notice in the example above we have an if statement. The if statement is composed of the if keyword followed by a set of parentheses, which is followed by a code block or block statement indicated by a set of curly braces. Inside the parentheses, a condition is provided that evaluates to true or false. That's here. If the condition evaluates to true, the code inside the curly braces runs. So since this is true, it will print this out. If this condition evaluated to false, then it would not run this code. So let's make an if statement. 1. Using the let keyword, declare variable named Sale and assign the value true to it. So here we would do let Sale be assigned true. And then if we zoom out, we can run that. We passed it. Number 2 is telling us to create an if statement, provide the if statement a condition of sale inside the code block of the if statement, console log the string time to buy. So here we want to do an if statement, going to take in sale, which will evaluate the true, which then will let us run this code. Console log time to buy, and then we could go ahead and run that, and we do get time to buy. So number 3, notice that the code inside the if statement ran since time to buy was logged to the console below the sale variable declaration, but before the if statement reassign sale to false. So below the sale variable, but before the if statement reassign sale to false. And we could do that. So below the sale variable declaration, but before the if statement, we're going to reassign sale to be false. Run your code and observe what happens. We'll be changing this behavior in the next exercise. So we should probably end up not having this code ran because sale is now false. So the code won't run. And as you can see, we passed and it did not run. And that is because sale is now false. So if it's still not making too much sense, the next lessons will definitely go more in depth. But make sure that what you're taking from this is that an if statement has these parentheses, and in them is going to be a condition that will either evaluate to true or false. If it's true, it will run the code. If it is false, it will not run the code. If you're getting that, you're getting this lesson. I'll see you in the next one.